Hi there, thanks for joining me today. We've got a bit of a problem. The conservatory, it's filthy. The top of it is covered. I don't want to be climbing ladders and stuff. Is there a solution to, well, to make life a bit easier? What I've got here, I'm hoping this is going to do the job. It's the Kärcher telescopic handle that will go onto the Lance. It's supposed to be 4 metres long. Do you reckon it can get, well, I'm hoping it might be even do the gutters up the top. But we won't know till we try, will we? So let's get it out of the box and have a look. With that, I've got these as well. These are all in the sale at the minute, so if you fancy getting some of it, have a look. I'll put links in the description for it. This is the adjustable end, so it's got a, you can put it to any angle. So if I put that on the end of the telescopic handler, we might be able to get a brush on it, which we have here. Again, all in the sale. I'll pop links in the description. Give everything a really good clean down. Upstairs windows. We've got this roof that slopes in. It's really hard to get up there with a ladder and climb on it. If this is going to be long enough and able to clean all the upstairs windows, I'm going to be in the good books with the bread knife. So yeah, let's give it a go, see if it all works. First things first, what do we get in here? Let's have a look. Okay, so we've got this funny looking contraption. I've got some instructions, I think I might need them. And something in here as well. Okay, we get a nozzle and a jet. So we get the end nozzle, which flips in there with the usual Karcher noggin on the end of it. That's quite nice actually, it's got a bit of a shape to it. And we've got the jet for the different size pressure washer depending on what power yours is. Okay, so if I pull the handle, this pulls out, and straight away we've got some length, and then if we press the little tab there, this comes out again. How much we're going to get with that? Oh, we've got to release the cable on the end there. The longer we go, the more pipe it needs, and it's drawing it up from this end, so we need to release this pipe work from there. Okay, let's see how long this goes. Okay, that's fully extended. Does this one, oh, and this end comes out as well. Oh, do you know what? That is pretty big. Oops. Well, it's definitely long enough to do the conservatory roof. It's going to be long enough to get to the bathroom window. And just thinking about this as well, because this has got the standard Karcher end on it, we've got the patio cleaner with the extended handle. That might give me another metre, which might just take us enough to do the bedroom window. We'll deal with that in a minute. Let's get it onto this conservatory roof, see how it works, see how it cleans. Let's try and get it attached to the gun. It's nicely made. This whole thing is all aluminium. And then obviously your plastic 90-degree. In fact, that goes all the way around, I think. Yeah, it's like a 180-degree turn on it there. We've got a really nice foam handle here onto this aluminium butt. So down here, this is where the magic happens. We've got the Karcher K2 down there, which is a lovely bit of kit, really nice, works well. But I've got my wall-mounted Giraffe Grand Falls, which we changed the adapters over in another video so we can get the Karcher handle on it, because we're invested in Karcher stuff, the adapters and everything, we need to be able to use them. So now we're attached to that. We've got his reel. So that is going to go in there like that. This one is going round the whole handle. like that. Okay. Oh, that's better. Let's try to tighten this up a bit. It's still a bit wibbly wobbly on there. I'm not sure how tight we're going to be able to get it. Yeah, that's better. Right, so we've got that bit in, and then we have this connector then, which we've got to just stick in there and push and twist. Oh, that's tight, that is. There it is. God, you need some beans to put that in. Right. Okay, so we're there now. Let's put their end on it, the one we got with it. So let's clip this one. Let's clip this one in there now, which is going to give us a jet, but only at an angle pointing forwards. So straight away, I'm thinking I want to put that other end on it. Let's go with this, just see what it's like. Here goes nothing. Oh. Well, it looks like we've got some chemical in there at the minute. It's coming out a bit creamy. I'm sure that'll clear in a minute. Okay. It does a nice waft, but it's not getting the grime out, so we need to upgrade this a bit, don't we? So this is where his little variable end comes into play. If I get that out of the packet, we can attach that to the end of the wand, and it gives us a full adjustment then of whatever angle we want, and we can get the brush on the end of this. Oh, hello. The brush comes with extenders. Oh, well, that's nice. Also, it's got a nice window cleaner attachment on the end of it. 3 jets in there. Oh, can't believe that. I've got loads of these now. That's going to be fantastic. It's going to give us, we're definitely going to get to that window now, because I've got these and I've got the ones off the patio cleaner. So this is, how does this work? How does this turn? It's really, really stiff. Okay, so if I push that into there, we'll do that up. We've now got brush, attachment, variable end on it. No. Oh, there we go. And we can wind that up as well. Lock that in. This stuff is so nice. It is lovely. And we've got some different sprays. We've got 2 different settings on there. So let's say we've got side brush as well. So we've got a downward jet. And a side up. So by turning that, it's letting some fluid shoot out the side as well. Let's get it up on the roof, give this a scrub, see if it cleans it up. Just want that to come down a bit more. A little bit straighter. Oh yes. And then we can extend this even further now. Oh, it's what dreams were made of. We'll get right up onto that top ledge. cool is that? And on that last bit there, we can alter the angle of this brush on the end. If we pop that and put that right round, it's about there, we should be able to get that end. Can it get these windows upstairs? And can we do anything with that guttering upstairs? That's a high reach. Maybe with the extra ends on it, it might do it. Let's go for this window first. So I'm fully extended on that one. The brush is pointing forwards. I can go full straight now with this one as well. We'll extend that all the way. Up like that. Okay. And triggers up here. It does get a little bit heavy when you're up full extension. I think I just need to alter that one slightly. Just bring it down a little bit. Maybe to there. Okay. Let's start at the top. How cool is that? That's a good job. And on the back end of this we have got the squeegee as well, so we could use that to squeegee down the windows if you wanted to. I'll see how streaky they're looking a bit. This is the challenge. Can we get to that far bedroom? That's a long way. That is a long way over. And we're going to be slightly on the wonky as well because we're not going at it clean. So it's going to have to be at an angle. Right, okay. I think I need to extend it a bit more with one of these ends. The only thing with adding these on, it's going to make it really heavy on the end because we've got a lot of leverage on this. Let's get one of them in to start with. Okay, there's one. There it is. Right. And then last but not least, right then, so let's measure this. Let's just get the tape measure on it, see how much we've got on there now. So from front to back, from the handle, so as it's standard, 3.8 metres. But now we've gone another metre, so we've got 4.8 metres. 4.8 metres of a lovely cleaning pole all the way to the head. Right, here goes nothing. Let's get it up there, work his way up. Oh yeah, we've got a bit of sag on it now. Oh, I don't know how much more of that would take without it breaking. That's really loaded it up. Maybe I need to straighten this a bit. It's really putting some strain on that. I definitely won't be able to go any more. This is like really strained. And with the pressure coming through the end, I can't even get close to them. Oh no. Ugh. Oh, it's just about doing it. It's not easy though. Maybe if I lost one of those on the end. I don't think I need both on there. Let's just try taking one of them off. I think that extra is just making it really flimsy. Let's lose one of those and try again. Okay, here we go. Oh, that does feel a bit better. But I can't see that bottom window. Oh, it's wild. It's wild. This is wild. What about the gutters? Can we get to the gutters? It's not easy. Maybe the gutter cleaning is difficult with the brush. If I put the jet on the end, it might work a bit easier. Let's get rid of the weight of the brush and put the jet on the end and just see if we can do some shifting of the dirt off the gutter. Right, so I've just got the standard nozzle back in there again. Let's straighten everything up. Well, it's certainly easy to pick up without that on there. Oh, that works. Oh, that works lovely. Nice. So, it is heavy to hold, which it's going to be heavy. It's made of aluminium. You can't get it much lighter, possibly carbon fibre. But when you're talking that much length with the extender on the end of it as well, but it does the job. It's got to all the high windows, we've got to the gutters, it's cleaned the conservatory roof. I think it's a plus, I think it's a positive. I'll pop links in the description for this. If you've got any comments, drop me some comments in. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you in another video. Thanks for watching. I'm in the good books now, clean the windows.
Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, 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 today's gonna be a good day.